You are very cool if you are a T-Rex. A very cool T-Rex that watches basic classic games. Alrighty then, so now to finish off my potion, what I just need is to just put this in. Why is it not working? Oh, I think I know. I need to find the letter A for my potion. Well then, I'm here. Mr. Mr. Stone? Yes. Let me get past so I could get the letter A. Well there, Witchy. What you're gonna need to do is to go into Alphabet Forest and find me 3 things that start with A. Okay. So, what I just need to get past him is 3 objects that start with the letter A. A goes ah, ah. So I need to find objects that go ah, ah, ah. Let me see. Apples, apples, apples. That starts with the ah sound, so it must be an A. Let me just grab them. Now I wonder, what's another word that has the ah sound? Ah. There's a thing in the space that I remember hearing about that starts with an A. That's right, an asteroid. But there is no asteroid. Maybe if I call it, it will come. Asteroid! Asteroid! Oh, here it is. It does have the ah sound, so there we go. Now what I just need is one more object. Why, of course, a ant. Ant has the ah sound, so it must be that. I got all 3 items now. So, did you get any of the letters? The words with the letters that I told you about? Yes, I did. Here's a picture of an ant, an asteroid, and an apple. They all have the ah sound. That is correct. I'll let you pass. What does this sign say? Please ring the bell by pulling the string to get the king to come out. Interesting. Thank you for ringing the bell for your highnessy. Okay, can I get through? Well, you have to complete my challenge. See this? Yeah. This is a small A and a big A. The big A starts at the beginning of the sentence, while the small a starts in the middle of the sentence in any word in any sentence. It could either like go both ways. Okay, so what do I have to do? You have to find me where does the big A go and the little a go in a sentence. Okay, I'll try that. Alrighty, here it is. The game. He told me to go over here and fill in the blanks. Blank, the apple farm. Jonathan has 3 apples and Lily has 2 apples. They both go to the market to sell their blanks. So what we need to do here is fill in the blanks. If it's a capital or lowercase. Remember, capitals come at the beginning of the sentence, and in the middle of the sentence are lowercase letters. And also remember that some words are capitalized because they are names. So now let's go. So, the blank at the beginning seems to be there, so it must be the A. And since it seems like it says apples, I bet the little A goes there. Alrighty there then. So now let's check on it with the king. Splendid! Splendid, my royal subject. I'm not your royal subject. Whatever, okay? Listen here. I will move the way. I just need to get some stuff. There it is. It's the letter A. I finally found it. Now it's time to go back home and use it on the potion.